To hide the recycling bin on your desktop, it's actually very simple. So the first quick and easy method to hide the recycling bin on your desktop is to right click anywhere on your desktop, hover over view, and you want to untick show desktop icons. This will hide the recycling bin, but it will also hide all the icons on your desktop. So if this isn't what you want, let's move on to step number 2. So if you want to remove the recycling bin only, the first thing we need to do is to go to our Windows icon at the bottom, and you want to go to your settings icon. Once you're in the settings page, you want to click on personalization just in the left hand side menu, and then you want to click on themes. From here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says desktop icon settings and click on that. And here it's going to give you a new desktop icon settings window. From here you want to untick or tick all of the desktop icons you want, click on apply and then click on OK. You can then exit out of your Windows settings, and as you can see, the recycling bin has now disappeared from our desktop, but we'll still use our desktop just as we normally would. And that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.